At sa bidyong ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to early repayment on TikTok Pay Later using GCash. Okay, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-login or i-open mo lang dito ang yung TikTok app and then click mo lang. So dito lang sa ating TikTok profile homepage. So dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung shop. So dito lang sa ating TikTok shop and then dito lang sa pinakataas, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung pay later. Okay? So dito na tayo sa ating TikTok pay later. So ito yung credit available natin. So since ginamit natin itong TikTok pay later sa pag-purchase dito ng items. So since babayaran natin ito ng early, so makita mo lang dito yung pinakagitna, ito yung make early repayment and then i-click mo lang. And then ito na yung amount due and then total amount, repayment amount, and then minimum repayment amount is 20 pesos. Ito yung kanyang pinaka minimum. And kailangan lang natin itong i-enter yung repayment amount. So ito yung total amount na babayaran natin. So fill out lang natin. At once nilagay mo na dito yung total amount, yung repayment natin, and then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung continue. So since GCash yung kailangan natin gamitin dito, so makita mo naman dito yung GCash and then link your GCash account with TikTok. I-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then online repayments linking. Wait lang natin. And then next, dito na tayo sa online payments linking. So login to link with GCash. Enter lang natin dito yung GCash natin na registered mobile number. So click mo lang and then fill out ulit natin. At once nilagay mo na dito yung GCash mobile number mo, so then i-click mo lang dito yung next. And then, kailangan lang natin enter dito yung 6-digit authentication code na sinend lang sa ating registered mobile number. At once na-enter mo na dito yung 6-digit na authentication code, and then itap mo lang dito yung next. And then enter lang natin dito yung ating 4-digit MPIN na ating GCash. Kapag na-enter mo na dito yung 4-digit MPIN mo, and then itap mo lang dito yung next. Okay, so online repayment linking, so TikTok Pay Later, this merchant would like to access your GCash account. So i-click mo lang dito yung box, I have read and understand the GCash term and conditions, and then itap mo lang dito yung authorize. And then wait lang natin ulit yung 6-digit authentication code na sinend sa ating registered mobile number. And once na-enter mo na dito yung 6-digit authentication code na na-receive mo ulit sa registered mobile number mo, itap mo lang ulit dito yung next. Online payment linking successful. So once okay na siya and then kailangan mo lang i-select. So once na-select mo na dito sa right corner and then dito naman sa baba, itap mo lang dito yung pay. Okay, so makita mo na dito na repayment successful and then i-click mo lang dito yung done.